point of assisting our indigenous Ttaadc people who live in the Autonomous District Council. We are very happy to learn from yourself that you have agreed to give our people loan to conduct their business, be it to run commercial vehicles like autos or transportation vehicles.
First we do it tomorrow on the 19th. Then we taste it. 19th campaign. 19th we do it here. Yes.
Banks have always avoided the sixth schedule or the tribal areas. And while we have seen the evolution of banking across India, somehow the Ttaadc areas have always been neglected. I am very happy to
Không phải đúng là cái thì không khá bên nó gì ạ.
आप लोग जो मीडिया लोग हैं ना,
thank you. Them rather than them coming to us. We will make it easier for them because for someone who's staying in Kanchanpur, someone who's staying in Korbuk, someone who's staying in Sabrum or Julaibari, someone who's staying in Ramchandra Ghat, someone who's staying in Kundakoti or Raima Valley, it becomes extremely difficult for them to come to Kumulu. Hence, these loan melas where we will be giving people a chance to take facilities with 0% interest because the interest will be borne by the ADC will actually go a long way in improving the economic standards of the Ttaadc people who have suffered for very long in the Autonomous District Council areas. I thank you once again and I welcome you, and I hope that today's meeting will not only be productive, but let me assure you that from time to time we will try to scale up our area of work and also scale up the amount of beneficiaries who can benefit. A point to be noted is that I know that you also have a student scheme where students or where qualified people who are into skill building can also avail similar loans. If that can be explored at a later date, it would help because many of our students who have a lot of potential, many of our youth who have a lot of potential, do not get adequate finance to pursue their career or to pursue their studies. If a student loan where the student, which is based on skill building, where a student can start paying only after they have graduated or after they have completed the diploma on a skill building initiative, that would go a long way in also helping our next generation come up and also get adequate skill set so that they can compete with anybody, not only in Northeast but across India. By saying these words, I would like to again welcome and thank the Managing Director of the Northeastern Small Finance Bank I would like to thank my CEMs, EMs, Deputy CEM, CEO, all the officers, the people in the media. Uh, I think it is also very important for the ADC that once this MOU is signed, we start giving advertisement to the media regarding this scheme. So through the media, through their channel, through their YouTube channel, these schemes, the entire range of these schemes, also through the media, through advertisement, is reached to every household so they can start availing these schemes to help our livelihood. Once again, thank you very much and thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Belai Belai no Hambai, and once again, I hope that we will be able to proceed further. Thank you.
I think from your end also, I think.
But then
Gamusa.
the forais and the gamusas actually had thing with Chandan it has it will come tomorrow. So this is okay. Yeah, due to traffic jam.
Deputy CM is. Yeah.
No sir. No sir.
I normally like the one which you told me tomorrow it is. But you did this.
Tomorrow we'll ensure that you come to
It's okay. That's okay. Help, my help here. Happy. Any help, no? First, how's it? Help also important.
Yeah, health loans like we
My MLA.
sir, please. Sorry, I missed you. Yeah,
What about education? Is there something with skill building where like
Yeah,
somebody
skill
studying
building is
One-
there.
hotel
one
management?
photograph
Come
can
below.
Yeah.
together, right?
I think
Memorandum of understanding, it is also agreed that the Northeast Small Finance Bank will open branches in the following locations. One at Kumulung headquarter of TTADC, two Killa, that is Rayabari, Gumati Zone, Bir Chandramanu, South Zone, 4 Sikaribari, Dhalai Zone, Tulasikhar, Kwai Zone, Kanchanpur, North Zone, Raskandi, Unapati Zone, Takarjala, Sipahijala Zone. And TTADC will make available suitable accommodation approximately 1000 square feet within the TTADC areas in the above zone for Northeast Small Finance Bank to set up full-fledged branches. Northeast Small Finance Bank will also do publicity and marketing campaigns like putting up hoardings and flags, banners across the TTADC zone headquarters, displaying the loans given in collaboration with TTADC. Jointly do the loan melas and financial literacy campaigns with TTADC across TTADC areas. TTADC will also open their SB account of both TTADC headquarters and zonal offices with Northeast Small Finance Bank. These are the basic and important points.
But
Transaction.
madam, normal loan is difficult loan for the Tiprasa people. Why you know?
No, sir.
Because most of the bankers they will ask bring this document, bring that document.
Yeah.
We want harassment free
Yeah.
but with interest.
Yeah. That's what we have been doing. And we have 200 Northeast Small Finance Bank. We have 214 branch offices across 8 northeastern states. We have 7.5 lakh customers as on date. All loans are sort of interest earning loans only, except in the government of Meghalaya, where the government has taken a special sort of a undertaking that the interest will be borne by the government. For that, they have a specific account where the interest portion is kept permanently, where every sort of 3 months we can debit against the sort of the interest accrued in the loan account. So that's a special scheme. So here also the honorable sort of a thing, local council can think it this way, that instead of making all loans interest free, you can always fix a limit, say from 50,000 to 5 lakh. From 50,000 to 5 lakh for the small livelihood generation activities where people don't get loans regularly from say established banks. There you have a tie-up, you utilize our services and you give the interest free. But for say somebody buys a commercial vehicle, say a truck, the person can definitely pay the interest from his earnings. So those loans can be sort of kept from the boundary of this sort of.
True. That's what you say.
Yes.
So we already have.
Satisfied.
No, we have
Satisfied.
Now you can.
भाई তিনি প্রেস মিট কল খাইমানি মূল উদ্দেশ্য আগামী 19 তারিখ আগস্ট মহারাজা বীর বিক্রম आचाइमानि जे सालो जों लोन फेस्टिवल खालायना थांदों लोन फेस्टिवल जे बरक रक चिनी तिप्रासा रक यूथ रक स्पेशली बिजनेस खालायमानिया बैंक थांगै लाकायना हारना थांके गोबांमा डकुमेन्ट सानजागो अमहाय जों जालो क्लाइयानि बागै harassment free loan redan bagi जों Northeast Small Finance Bank by tini kaisa agreement sign ka chini Maharaj Pradyut Bikram Manikko bini saktharma baino Northeast Small Finance Bank ni adong rok bai thangnai 2-3 months kokung laika বিভিন্ন বিষয় যিনি আলোচনা বব সেক্টর লোন রিজার্ভ নাই এগ্রিকালচার সেক্টর পিগারি এনিম্যাল হাজবেন্ডারি গোबांमा बेदको स्मॉल दुकान खोलनानै बिजनेस खायनान बागै रिटेल शॉप स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज लार्ज स्केल मीडियम स्केल जों खालायग्ला स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज नि क्षेत्रे बाहायग्लाय लोन नाहानाय 1 लाख 5 lakhs maximum limit जों सालायगोन 10 lakhs नि बिसिंगो hassle free एवं interest free TTADC चिनि कायसा नोडाल डिपार्टमेंट दंनाय अ नोडाल डिपार्टमेंट नि बिसिंतै जों समस्त लोन नि जे फर्म रगनो जाचाय खालायजाकनाय लॉन्चिंग डे हिसाबै आगामी 19 तारिख আগস্ট खुमलंगो सेंट्रली होल त्रिपुरा स्टेट नि बागिनो TTADC नि बरगरं बागै जोंरो कायसा लाकाय बानि ख्लायनाय आरो बैंक नि बरक तंनाय स्टल तंनाय 2000 जारा अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ्स रगनो लाकाय रिनानि बागै फर्म बिलि बन्टन नाय अमबो सालायजाखा जे म लाकाय रिमानि बिसिंतै ताबो गोबांमा बरक साइमानो जे जोंखि आरो सुद रिना देना इंटरेस्ट जोंखा अनेक बरक बुझी जों जे बरक रगनो अरो रिकमेंड खालायनाय TTADC as a guarantor जों रिकमेंड खालायजाक बरक रगनि थानी बैंक कुनो इंटरेस्ट नाहारला एवं 6 years बिसिंगो जे लोन नाहारमानी कैपिटल अमाउंट आसल न सिमी एवरी मंथ बरक परिशोध खालायमा थांनाय जरा एक बार लोन नाहारका परिशोध खायपायका तावाइसा बरक नाहारि माननाय सो जोंनुगो जेचिनि गोबांमा जारायरो बरक स्टेट बैंक को थांगो बा जुदा जुदा बैंक रगो थांगो डॉक्यूमेंट सानजागो डॉक्यूमेंट रिमायान बागै बरं थानी प्रोजेक्ट तंगमानि परेबो बरक आरो लागायनो हारमानि 19 तारिख आगस्टनि सिमी महाय जारायरो बरक लागायनो हारमानि 2 नम्बर को ताबुक फायो जे म लागाय बानी की शुद्ध कुमलंगो नंगनाय मतो एक सेंट्रल प्रोग्राम नै आबुनि उलो प्रत्येक जुनालो जों सेंसिटाइज प्रोग्राम खायनाय एवं ऋण नाहानाय रोगनि डिसिप्लिन बाहायखाय नारागनाय देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड लोन डिसिप्लिन क्रेडिट डिसिप्लिन अमरं तीबो जों कक साजांनाय कारण चिनि दफा ताबुक जों जालो क्लाइजा गायसे फाइनेंशियली इकोनॉमिकली जों उक्लागो क्लाइजा कायसा बैंक आहिक्लै फायगा ताबु जे बोसनो जों जालो खिक्लाय ऋण रिनानि एग्रिंग खातिनि जे एग्रीमेंट नि मते अमो हाय बैंक नि थानि चिनि हजार हजार बेकार रोग जेनो लोन नाहारी बिजनेस खालामनानै आमोस चिनि चाइतो 2000 बरकनो सिमिन रिजाक लाकोमो बट लॉन्चिंग देव 2000 फॉर्म्स जोंरेनाय आबुनि उलो गोबांमा जोनल ऑफिसनो जों डेट रुबुई बैंक एवं ADC एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नि बरक थांगी आमते लागायबानि जों फेस्टिवल खालायनि सेकेंडली ताबुक मो नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक बिनी ब्रांच बरतो मबो एग्रीमेंट मेंशन का जे खुमलंगो काइसे सेंट्रली तंगनाय बरनि ब्रांच एवं ऑल जोनल ऑफिसेस जेखाने चिनी जोनल तंग जेमन खोयायो जोनल तंग उनकुटियो तंग नॉर्थ तंग धलनाल ऑफिसो काइसा काइसा के बरक ब्रांच बो खुलगनाय अमनो तिनिनि एग्रीमेंट एवं जों हास्तेनि ताकुते बुकुक संग सानन मुजुंगो जे मो बानि लागाय बानिक जे जों क्लाइना थांग दङ अमायटा ग्रांड सक्सेस जोंथ एवं जों जालो क्लाइ दंनाय चिनि यूथ रो बरक गाहामक्ले सामुंतां मानथं एंड अनदर पॉइंट इनका मो सामुंनि बागै जों बोबाग्रानो दालाय दालाय ADC प्रशासन थेके हामबाय माया पारा थैंक यू जों आबरक तो तिनिनि एग्रीमेंट आबुकुनो मेंशन खालायजागे किन्तु गोबांमा बरक जोंनो अमनति बकक सावि दङ जों नायनाय बैंक बाय आलाप आलोचना खालायनाय जदि आमति जों जालो क्लाइजाक चिनि बरक गोबांमा दङगे क्रेडिट स्कोर बा सिविल स्कोर जे टर्मिनोलॉजी मो जों जालो क्लाइ दंलांनाय बरक रंनि बागिबो बाहायक्लाय गाहाम सेप रेउइमान जों आबो साइतकनाय